So, welcome to part 3 of my unboxing video for my birthday. But this video is just going to be pure educational. I'm going to show you how I set up this toilet seat mobility aid. So, just in case anybody wants to know how to do that, I'm going to show you a demonstration. It's the first time I'm setting it up as well because it's a gift. So, we are going to be learning on the way. So, let's get right into that. Guys, so the first thing you want to make sure is that you have all 11. One, you should have two of these. You should have four of these. You should have two of these, and you should have two of these. Counting, and your screws. These are four screws. Should have four screws. Let me check the book. Doesn't say how many screws, but I believe that you should have four screws. All right. So we're going to install the legs first. So all right, guys. So I already attached one of the legs. So I'm going to explain exactly what to do now. So you want to get one of these foot here and this. So you're going to line it up with these holes with this button. There's a button that you can press. You're going to line up the holes and together like this. Then you're going to squeeze the button so that it glides inside. You can just let it go into the first hole just until you're finished set up it. and then you extend or retract the foot based on the height that you want. So I'm just going to slide it on. And when you hear the click, it's locked. So I'm going to do the next foot, line it up, squeeze the button, push down. You're pushing this one down so that it goes over the button on this part of the leg. So you push it down until you hear a click. It's locked. Okay, so when these are on, you're going to attach the handle. Same thing, line it up with the button with the hole here. Press until you hear a click. Repeat. Line it up. Press the button. Push down. Click. Now we're going to attach these on these parts. So with these, you're going to need the screw that it comes with 4 screws. So you're going to need those. So I'm going to just turn this over. Best to do this on a flat surface so that you can put it to lay down just if you need to. So you're going to line up both holes. This has 2 holes on it. So you're going to line up both holes with the hole that is on this one. And then you just push it down until the holes are lined properly. Then you grab the screw and you screw it. And you repeat. Line up the hole, press down until the hole comes in view. Grab the screw and you screw it. So now we are going to attach this side to this side. So we're going to basically repeat the same thing. Again, best to do this on a flat surface. Line up the holes, get your screws. You have two more screws. To attach the seat. All right, so time to attach the seat, guys. So for the seat, it's basically like it's clipped on. You see these two things here? Right. We're going to clip them on. Until you hear that. So you're going to have to apply pressure. It's high now, but you're going to drop, you're going to lower the seats based on your toilet seats so that you can have it at the best angle for you. So, yeah, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. Any more unboxing videos, I'll be sure to return back. So this is for the storage bag. You attach it on the hole, whether it's the left or the right. You attach it and squeeze it on. Okay, like that. And you can put on the bag. If you don't need the bag, you don't have to put it there. But yeah, that's it. So guys, thank you so much for sticking around with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye.